Ito ang double stitch without a gap. Tapos kukuha ka doon sa ilalim niya. Ito yung last ba? Itong naka-center na yan ang kunin mo. Mahigpit. Yun. Tapos iloop mo ganyan para tapos itusok mo din dito. Yun. Kuha ka din doon. Tapos by twos na. 1 and 2. Same. Dun sa center na yan. Oh. Yung naka-slanting na una. Yun. Kuha ka. And then insert here. Pull over mo. Then pull over 2 loops. Ito ang tinatawag na amended double chain, double stitch. And no gap kasi ito. This is the no gap double stitch. Madali lang itong sundan. Basta yung naka-slanting na una, doon mo ipasok. Para wala siyang gap. Itong design na ito, I am using also this design as a ribbing. As a ribbing design. But oftentimes I'm using the single stitch for ribbing. Wala siyang gap oh. This is the no gap. Wala siyang gap. The contents of your bag. This no gap is good for creating bags and pouches so that the contents of your bag cannot be seen. No gap double stitch. Good for creating bags and pouches ang no gap stitch. This is now my third handicraft. I am creating my customized pouches. This time this pouch is for accessories. It's fulfilling kapag may natapos ka. If you finish one design, it's fulfilling. Ang ganda sa pakiramdam. Okay. Just make like this. Another angle. And then next stitch. I saw also here knitted slippers. I am trying one day to create knitted slippers that can be used inside the homes, inside our homes. Okay, this is the design. No gap. And then I met an expert knitter online, and she told me I am on the right track of knitting. That's why be confident that I am showing you things that is also acceptable from other knitters. Because other knitters have also their own style of creating their own handicraft. This is as per your own preference. They cannot say what you're doing is wrong as long as what you made is for your own preference. The size and everything. Okay, this is it.